Stack is a memory portion which is used for storing the elements. Elements are stored based on principle of last in first out. In the stack, the elements are kept one above the other and its size is based on its memory. So elements are kept one on another. It is called as stack. The top of the pointer points to top element in the stack. The top of the stack indicates its door from where elements are entered or deleted. The stack top is used to verify stack's current position, that is underflow, overflow, etc. Stack's top is used to verify stack's current position, that is underflow, overflow, etc. Top has value 0 when stack is empty. Some programmers assign 1 to top as initial value. This is because when element is added, top is incremented and it would become 0. Stack is generally implemented with the help of an array. In array, counting of elements begins from 0 onwards. Hence, on the similar grounds, stack top also begins from 0 and it is convenient to assign -1 to top as initial value. Stack underflow, when there is no element in stack or stack holds element less than its capacity, the status of stack is known as stack underflow. In this situation, top is present at bottom of the stack. When an element is pushed, it will be first element of stack and top will be moved one step up. So this is stack underflow. A representation of a stack. The stack is represented in various ways. Stack can be shown as completely empty or fully filled or filled with few elements. When stack has no element, it is called empty stack. The stack with completely filled element has no further elements can be inserted. A top pointer maintains track of top elements. For empty stack, top value is 0. When stack has one element, the value of top is 1. Whenever an element is inserted, that is push operation, in the stack, value of pointer top is incremented by 1. In same manner, the value of pointer is reduced when an element is deleted from stack, that is pop operation. The push operation can be applied to any stack, but before applying pop operation on the stack, it is necessary to make sure that stack is not empty. If pop operation is performed on empty stack, it results in underflow. Operation on stack methods, create stacks. The fields of stack comprise a variable to hold its maximum size, that is the size of the array. The array itself and a variable top which stores index of the item on the top of the stack. Push method increments top, so it points to the space just above the previous top and stores data item there. Notice that top is incremented before the item is inserted. So that means it is incrementing top above previous top. Pop method returns the value at top and then increments top. This effectively removes the item from stack. It is inaccessible although the value remains in the array. So pop method is returning value and it is decrementing top.